Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Lily 2 active, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's find the icon of the Garmin Connect and tap on it to open the app. Once the application opens, you should see the home page, this one. Now tap on More, then find the option called Garmin Devices and tap on it. And here you should see the list of devices, and on it there should be your Lily 2 active. You can tap on it, then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, then tap on Remove Device, and tap on Yes. Watch will disappear from the devices. We can tap on Settings right here. It will redirect us to Settings. And what we can do now is to tap on Apps, back to Settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you will see the Lily 2 active on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it rather, tap on Forget Device and tap on Forget Device. Okay, and then we can close the settings and the app, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.